Somebody on my video said I always get in a vehicle and grunt. And I said, well, that comes from being 44 years old. You'll understand. So tell us what you got in here, man.
So I have two Scar VXF 15s on Ampere 3800 wired to half. Seeing about 4K out of it.
I like the splatter paint job too.
Thanks, man.
Nice. You built about yourself?
Killer Customs Audio based out of Seymour did it. My buddy owns it.
Is it a 4th order?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's about a 2.5, 3 to 1/4.
Okay. Good deal, man.
Asking where's my watch? Good luck finding it. Take it like a challenge. I don't understand.
That gets right in your ear right off the bat, man. You know what I'm saying? Wow.
Yeah.
What frequency was that?
That was 2533.
Okay, they got right in the ear, man.
I could play anywhere from 21 to about 52.
Nice.
I'm really efficient, really musical. You know, that's the whole. I was peaking at about 44, doing about probably about a 155, but that was awful.
Nice. 155. Wow.
But that would have been at about 42 hertz. And that's before I changed my port. I'm doing 153 right now at 38.
Changing your port, did that make it lower?
Yeah, it was all the way down to where the bottom of the pole is, and I brought it about halfway. I cut it about in half.
Okay.
Here's a little bit more musical of a song for you.
Shattering glass and dropping axes. This is DJ Rusticles.
That's getting it. What's your name?
Levi.
All right. Levi?
Levi.
I'm sorry about that, man.
No,
yeah,
okay.
Levi. I'm Papa T, man. I appreciate you giving me a demo and everything, man. Sounds great.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Have a good one, man.
You too.